Most video editors I know are still doing everything by hand, and I get that, because that used to be the only option. But you can't deny that AI is changing things. The gap between creators who figured that out and those who haven't is getting wider. This video is about closing that gap because I don't want you to fall off. Unfortunately, if you're not using AI in your workflow right now, speaking generally, you will fall off. It's just a matter of time. Creators who are winning right now simply stop doing what an AI can do for them. You are probably more skilled than them because you understand video editing. Imagine what would happen if you got access to the same tools. The big problem is that there are too many of them. Kling for video, a ChatGPT subscription, Nano Banana Pro for image generation, and so on. You get the point. It's getting messy and expensive. That's the exact problem Imagine Art is solving right now. Imagine Art is an AI productivity suite that pulls all the latest AI image and video models into one platform. And that for one subscription instead of 7. It's built for filmmakers, editors, photographers, designers, and so on. You have access to built-in editing tools like upscaling, in-paint, relight, retouch, lip sync, everything in one place. All of that is awesome, but what I'm gonna show you next is even more mind-blowing. Workflows. You'll find it right here. You can browse your workflows you're already working on or create a new one. Or you can go to Discover and find templates that Imagine Art created for you. More about that later. First, I want to show you a workspace I'm currently working on. So I told you about all these tools that are integrated in Imagine Art. In Workflows, you'll have a node-based workspace that allows you to use all of those. Take a look at this workspace. The cool thing is, you only have to create a workflow like this once, and then you can use it again whenever you need it. Let me show you real quick the purpose of this workspace. I created this to put a character into a specific scene, all using prompts. First, I upload a picture of me by just dragging it in here, and then right here, I've used ChatGPT to generate a prompt for an environment. Then I sent that prompt to Nano Banana, which is this node. And then after clicking Run, it generated this exact image that I used for my environment. Then I added another image generator and sent both my pictures to Nano Banana as reference images. I also created a new prompt that tells Nano Banana to add me as a Jedi into that environment. That created this amazing picture of me with a red lightsaber. Very cool. Next, I added a Kling node with a new prompt saying to turn this into a video. And that result is just insane because this didn't take long to create. Now, let me demonstrate what I mean exactly when I say is that you can reuse this workflow. First of all, let me duplicate this page so I can keep the first one. Let's change the input images. Now I'm gonna drag and drop a picture of me here in my studio as a character reference. Let's change the file name to my own name, Tymon. There you go. Then on the second one, I'll just have to change the ChatGPT prompt to something else. Maybe a planet like Tatooine at night, then click send and ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt. When it's ready, go to the Nano Banana node and click run. There you go. Exactly what I needed. Now you can change the prompt for the next image too if you want. For example, let's change the lightsaber color to green. There you go. Click run. This is the result, and that looks perfect. Now all that's left to do is click run again in the Kling video generator. I think I still have the red lightsaber color in my video prompt, but I'm curious what Kling will do. Perhaps a mixture of green and red. Alright, this is interesting. It's like I'm turning to the dark side. Absolutely wonderful result. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you don't have to create workspaces from scratch. You can also look for a template. If you scroll to the bottom somewhere, you'll find the product showcase template. You'll see that there's an environment, a product, and a character. Well, you can just copy this workspace and then adjust whatever you want. Fast forward, here's my copy. As you can see, I left the environment intact. I did change the product to Mango Search. Mango Search doesn't exist. It's something I created from scratch in another workspace. And then for the picture, I used myself again. That resulted in this awesome clip. Alright, now just for demonstration purposes, let's remove it and upload another picture of myself. Maybe one where I'm wearing my glasses. There you go. Now all you gotta do is press run in the image generator node, and when that's done, look how awesome that is by the way, click run again, but this time in the video generation node. Wait for it and there you go. I'm spilling a bit of Mango Search, but hey, this looks very good. It's ideal for an advertisement. I mean, think about it. When you're working on a project without AI, you're starting from scratch again, and you're repeating the same process over and over again. But with workflows, you only have to create something once, and then afterwards, when you want to use it again, you just give it a different input, and boom, you're done. This is truly wonderful and I can't wait for you guys to test it out. Send me some of your creations with workflows and I'll review it in the next Imagine Art video. Go to my Instagram in the description and send me a DM. Now I gotta say the canvas itself has gotten significantly better too. It's cleaner, it's faster, and it actually feels like something that you want to use every day. And of course, if you want a full breakdown of workflows like a complete beginner's tutorial starting from scratch, every node, every connection, literally starting from zero, let me know down below and I will make a video about that in a few days or weeks. And if that's the case, you can click that video right here on your left. Again, if you want to check out Imagine Art, click the link down below. They're running a big discount right now. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.